We are visiting a funeral house, and today is, I think it's last week, and they're eating like this. Dhammika. He is very hungry because he has been pushing the bike from Kios to here because our bike got punched. We'll go and interview him why they're like this. Tata, why eating like this? Separate, separate? Yeah, why there's no ladies here, B? Only me. No, what I mean is, why like this? Why eating like this? Wait, thank you, Nanda. Yeah, but this is my first time seeing like this kind of Dani. And they said the ladies is behind.
We came late.
I asked Nangi, and she said that the ladies is in the back. It's like this. It's not, no, but it's Dani lagi. We are going to eat in the plate, no, and it's like there's a food buffet like that. It's like this. They have to serve.
Before it like that. Plain doll. This is the tradition.
This is the traditional. And groups also are there. And there. Uncomfortable. His jeans is very tight. So I'm going to join. Our food is little now. So these are our food. That is how they serve it. Yan ka na malung ni. Malung.
Jack.
Yeah, Jack. This is Jack. This is Carola, dried fish. Pumpkin. And dal.
Sometime back, every house was like that. But now, all are going to the catering.
Yeah, oo ni.
They said no one going to pick up the leaves. Yes. Know that? Lotus leaves. No one going to pick up the lotus leaves.
It's difficult. Plate is very easy ni.
But the plate, all the catering service.
Yeah.
It's easy.
Hi guys! Yes! As you can see, my hair is very short, so meaning the first clip that you have watched is recorded way back. Maybe I think recorded like a year or more than a year ago. And this clip that you're seeing right now is recorded today or this week. So yeah, why I have recorded this is basically I wanted to share and explain it to you what was happening on the first clip. So the first clip was we are eating on a dansal, no, not dansal, a dani, quote unquote, which is like a, in here in Sri Lanka, someone was died and buried after 1 week. They are giving food to the public, so that's called dani. They're giving food to the public and they're doing it traditional way. Traditional way means they're using the leaves of plants that is growing in the water. Singana na eh. Water lily, no. Lotus. Murag mao man siguro. I think, yeah, the water lily or lotus leaves, they're using it as a plate in traditional ways. As per Dhammika, before, long way back, long time ago in Bethlehem, they're using these leaves as traditional. So, same like in the Philippines, there are some places in the Philippines, kung naikasal or if there is a party, even a fiesta, celebrations, para iwas hugason, we're using a banana leaf as a plate. So, mo po dire sa Sri Lanka, they're using not a banana leaf, but the leaves of some plants. Mo na ilang use himo na sa plate. And by this generation, nga nag-evolve na siya, so nagka-high-tech, wala na, nagkaanam na sa siya kawala. This time, nag-use na sila og plates, like they're renting a catering or they're serving it in a plate. So, I think, sumora na siya, guys. Mora na akong gi-share. So, yeah, that's it. Gihangaw ko. Gihangaw ko, nainit kaayo. So, I hope you guys like this video and don't forget to like and subscribe and please do share as well and see you guys soon. Bye!